How to add picture in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and want to read on how to add picture or a photo on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap on to this button at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Now to add the picture, tap on to this plus option. Select it. Now from here, simply choose one photo that you would like to add, just like this, and tap on to add. And now you can see the photo has been added. Now simply edit it and export it. And that's it. This is how you can add picture into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.